So what's your questions? Tell me. Yeah, I'm getting nervous now.
How are you doing today? Good.
This sculpture is actually by a Saudi artist, Manala Bawayan.
Let's try and do something different. And let's bring in some color.
They did a little illustration.
So the course was initiated by the Ministry of Culture's Museum Commission in collaboration with SOAS-Effat University in Jeddah and SOAS here in London.
We have visited top-notch museums. We had very interesting speakers from all around the world. To actually be there behind the scenes, getting to see the people who operate the museum, that has been really great and interesting to witness.
I really enjoy being here in London because a lot of resources for someone who like to do research.
I think it brought a lot of aspect in me that I haven't expected.
But I want to get us to think about the kind of conceptual reasons for why we display art in the way that we do.
My mission in life is to promote art from the Arab world.
As a museum professional returning to Saudi, a lot of what's in my mind is how can we have an alternative approach.
As you can see, we are the only female-only group, so give you a hint of our selected title, which is Rare View, Reflections on Womanhood.
They want to show you that they're key pieces through these 400 years of women history. Let's see the numbers that you got.
At the end of this course, they will select 10 people to complete their master degree in museum studies. And we call it المبشرون بالجنة because they are 10.
I'm looking forward to do the master for sure.
And I just hope that we keep coming back to the learnings of this course and to each other in our career.
Thank you. Assalamu.